Yo guys, what's up? It's Michael here, and today we're gonna talk about how Clay uses Clay, which is an amazing way to actually reverse engineer how one of the most innovative company in go-to-market is using its own product to actually drive a pipeline. And in particular is a case from Varun. Varun is one of the founder. And crazy enough, a funny story, my first demo of Clay was from Varun. So I really met Varun 5 years ago. Clay was like a team of 5 people, and I had the first demo of Clay with him. Anyway, close parenthesis. Let's see how it. One of very cool use cases on how Clay uses Clay, and in particular is an ABM campaign to actually drive pipeline growth. So they basically leverage the fact that there was the Masters, which is a very famous golf competition. I'm a huge golf fan too, so I really love this use case. And let's go step by step and let's see how Clay is using automation to actually create something extremely relevant at scale. And by the way, this is a crazy campaign that created like a 100 times pipeline to spend growth, which is pretty, it's a crazy campaign, okay? Okay, so let's try to read the post together, and then I will give you more detail, and I will try to reverse engineer how to basically build everything into Clay Cloud so that you can do the same, and how you can apply the same to your own situation, okay? Cool. Here's how a boys trip to the Masters drove a 40 times pipeline spend ABM campaign for Clay. And Saturday morning, they basically enter into the master shop. We raided the store, had to ask the manager if we could buy that much stuff. We walk out with 3,000 in master hats and mugs. So something that people truly want. Okay, the fair lesson here is that they use gifts to actually drive and get attention from the prospects. And most of the time, we send gifts that we don't really want ourselves to, right? Like Amazon gift cards, or like a branded hat nobody's really interested in, or something that we basically see, say, okay, cool, and we throw it away. So the third lesson here is really trying to figure out something people really want to receive. And this is something they want so bad that they were basically waiting hours outside of the door to actually receive that merchandising. This is the first genius of it, okay? First, we needed to find the right people, prospects at tier 1 accounts who actually care about golf. We used ClayAgent to cross-reference social profiles with web research to find golf signals. One content played golf in college, and another created a golf article, etc. So, how would you do that? So first, I would start with your prospect list, okay? Maybe you don't have a prospect list, but maybe let's say that you are selling to marketing agencies, okay? You can go to Claude, Clay, Apollo, wherever, and actually get all the marketing agencies in the world. You can scrape them from LinkedIn, and then you have to apply an agent, in this case, ClayAgent, to actually get which one of these people is actually interested in golf. And of course, they have to show some intent on the web, like they played golf in college, like they have a photo, like they posted something about going to the golf course, etc. But usually, people into golf, like me, they love golf so much that they always post about it, or at least they mention it, or at least they comment under a, I don't know, post or photo about golfing. You see, or maybe they get tagged when they just join a golf course with other friends, okay? You can use ClayAgent to do that, so you will get a sublist of those marketing agency owners that actually play golf, okay? Pretty easy. Then, Second, for a proper delay campaign, we needed to find the right addresses without having to ruin the surprise with an upward, hey, what's your address? And okay, in particular, this campaign is they send a gift, then they follow up, okay? This is a typical one-to-many ABM campaign, right? So before reaching out, we are actually sending something of value like a gift so that we can really get their attention. And in this case, it's golf merchandising, okay? You have two ways to send gifts, okay? First of all, you probably need a gifting platform, but in general, you have two ways. Uh, First, you need the address. If you have the address, you send directly, but most of the time you don't have the address, the personal address of someone. Secondly, you can use a software, and the software usually sends an email directly to that prospect saying, hey, you know that company X, Y, and Z want to send you a gift. What is your address? And the company will actually uh, fill the form, give all the information, then you send a gift. The problem is, why you do that, only less than 10% of people actually fill out the form and receive a gift, because they are usually not interested at all in receiving nothing, okay? And you ruin the surprise. So you have a third way, invented by Clay, let's say, which is you can figure out where this person is based. You can figure out what is the headquarter of that company in that city, and you send it directly there. For example, let's say that I'm working at Apple. In my LinkedIn profile, I have as a region United States, New York. I can use Claygen to say, hey, for country name, city name, and company name, what is the headquarter of this company in city? Return the address only. You get the address, you put name and surname, and you ship the product. Okay? This is very powerful. And by the way, they got a 96% delivery rate. So the execution of this campaign was like crazy good. Okay, A+++, basically. Third, we needed to follow up at the right time. So we connected to the UPS API and had a sequence from our Vidyard team ready to fire when the package status flipped from shipped to delivered. Crazy. So basically, before the follow-up, they were tracking the UPS API shipment. When it goes from A to B, from I don't know, shipping to received or something like that, they get an alert so that the SDR can reach out omni-channel, because it's exactly when they are experiencing a problem, right? Sorry, when you have their attention. I mean, when they are receiving the pack, of course, they have their phone there. They are checking the new golf merchandising. You call them immediately, and of course, they are not in a meeting. They are not outside. They are there. Okay, so they can reach out through LinkedIn. They can reach out through cold email and the phone. By Thursday, the campaign was in flight, and we had 140 custom swag packages with handwritten notes in transit. These are the handwritten notes. And how can you do these? You have three ways. I tried all of them. So handwritten notes, you can generate them automatically. They are not handwritten, they are just notes. That's the easiest way. You can write all of them one-on-one. You can buy a machine that automatically writes for you. They're available on Amazon, okay? Which is pretty crazy. And they even have the Clay logo here, signed by the founder himself. Okay, golf merchandising, handwritten notes, API, cold calling, right offer, right person interested in golfing, equal like amazing campaign. This is one of the best campaign I ever seen. This is one of the most genius ABM plays I've ever seen. And as you can see, yeah, there's technology in it, but at the same time, it's really well executed. There's a lot of business acumen, there's a lot of creativity in it, okay? So A++. And the campaign statistics so far, 3,000 in gifts, so very small budget. You see, most of the times I'm reading a lot of posts about how you need crazy budget for ABM, $50,000, 40,000. Yeah, sometimes you need them, especially for events. But sometimes, a small gift times your creativity equals crazy results. So the creativity and the idea behind the campaign is actually everything. Shipping cost, $5,000 in total, 114 cents, 110 delivered, dozens of positive replies and meetings booked with C-executive GTM leaders at large enterprise companies. Okay? By the way, guys, one meeting with a GTM leader in an enterprise company usually costs now at very least $2,000 to $3,000, $2,000 to $3,000. If you can get 10 is at 30,000 in market value. Okay? From a spur of the moment idea to a quick and clean ABM campaign that delight our prospects within a few days. Crazy, guys. This is how you can apply technology plus your creativity plus your business acumen to actually drive pipeline. Now you can make your go-to-market more successful. If you want to launch a campaign, if you are a B2B company, you want to launch a campaign like that, check the link in the description. If you want to become a go-to-market engineer and want to be able to actually drive these kind of campaigns, check the program. I have a training program where I can turn you into a go-to-market engineer and land your first client in 90 days guaranteed. Cool. See you in the next video. Thanks so much.